Hi, and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's episode, we are going to be looking at how to make compost for your plants if you want to plant from seed or if you want to make your seedlings. Now, the benefits of compost are that it enriches your soil and it gives your soil nutrients, and it also improves soil structure, so it is good for your plants. And also remember that you do not plant on soil compost alone, but you should plant and you should mix soil compost with your soil, and then you plant from there. So let us look at how to make our own compost at home. Okay, so to make compost, you're going to need fecal matter, so it can be cow dung, chicken dung, and so on. You're going to need like your banana peels, your kitchen scraps, vegetables, fruits as well, and you're going to need your eggshells. You can use tea bags if you want to, and then you're going to need soil. So this is soil and also the paper, even like the tissue paper as well. And then you're going to need a cardboard like this one, or if you want to, you can use a bucket. If you are using a bucket, you need to poke holes beneath the bucket. So this one, it doesn't matter because you can pour water here and it will keep it moist, like it will keep your things moist inside. So what you're going to do is to break these kitchen scraps into small pieces, so that the process is faster, or it breaks down faster. Okay, so let us put our soil here first as the first layer. Put our soil as the first layer, and then put our dung as the second layer. For dung, it helps us to have microbes inside, and then you can put this one as well, tea bags, so the microbes help break faster all of the things that you put inside here. So just break them down into small pieces so that they will break down faster and your compost will develop faster. It's better if it is in small pieces. Okay, so spread it around here. Okay, and for the eggshells as well, this is like protein, obviously, so your compost will be rich in nutrients. That is what we want, for it to be rich in nutrients. Put your kitchen scraps there as well, like break them like so, and it depends on how big your compost is. So if you want to make like a bigger version of what I'm doing here, this one is nice if you want to make like your pot plants or for a small garden and so on. So obviously you will measure depending on how much you need for your garden, but it is a good way to restore nutrients to your soil, because when using the organic matter, your food or your crops will be much more organic compared to the one where you use the store fertilizer or chemical fertilizers. Okay, so you shred your paper as well. You can put it in there. All of these kitchen scrapes, put them here. They provide different nutrients like your potassium, nitrogen, and so on. So you can put it here and put your soil inside of there. Mix it all around. So obviously you have to mix it constantly. And then you put water. It has to be moist and not wet, so you need to put in water there and stir and make sure that it does not dry out. So each and every time it dries out, you need to put water or moisten it. Okay, just make sure that it's moist. And remember, since I'm using cardboard, there will already be like a circulation, so that is why there's no need for us to poke holes. So if you are not using a cardboard, just poke holes so that there will also be circulation to allow oxygen inside out. Yeah, so that is how you make compost. You can put it inside your home or outside, and you can also close it up as well so that you retain the moisture inside. Thank you very much.